My name is Marie Jobs. I am an organizational communication major and I am passionate about sustainability. I learned about planned obsolescence for the first time 2 years ago and was shocked that I had gone my entire life without being aware of it. I founded Fix It UP to combat planned obsolescence by providing a free, accessible, and environmentally friendly event that brings the community together and exposes my peers to the repair mentality. Fix It UP is made possible through the work done by our experienced volunteers. My favorite part about seeing the event come together is the social momentum that has built up around repair on campus. I believe that most people want to be advocates for the environment, but sometimes they just need a way to get involved. I hope that Fix It UP has been able to provide that for people at the University of Portland and will continue to do so after I graduate. My name is Marie Jobs, and I am a change maker.